everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. It is officially January 2019. How crazy is that? So it is the first everyday makeup drawer shop my stash of the month, obviously, of the year. If you watched my beauty resolutions 2019 video, you know I am trying to pan a couple things this year. So this is going to be the group that starts us off, but some of these things might not be switching or rotating out next month. Just FYI. I don't know if that's interesting to you or boring or what, but I'm letting you know about it. Couple of things I forgot to mention in beauty resolutions, which, by the way, I'll put a card to and put it in the description box. I am also buying no lipsticks this year until they're gone. I mean, really, I have every color I need. I know I will end up getting a couple through boxes, subscription boxes, things like that, so I'm not buying any more. I have to use up lipstick. There were other categories. I cleaned out my drawers after doing it. It was like, oh, I could have mentioned that's a category I'm going to go through too, but probably not worth it. So just know I am really trying to use what I have this year. So with that said, let's start off. I am still going through my Instant Age Rewind. I have already bought a different under eye. I used it in the New Year's Eve video, the L'Oreal Lumi, but I want it, we're so close, right? We're so close. So let's finish this off. And then I'm still using my L'Oreal Pro and my NYX lightener to go light on my skin. My light BB cream is still in here. And just because I figure I don't have any other, I have one other under eye, so let's just use this one up and then move to the next one. This is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm, which could go anywhere, but I only use it under my under eye, and I think it did pretty good in December, so I'm keeping it in. Gonna try and finish this and then move on. And then lastly, I've moved where it goes in the rotation. Let's finish off that Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Best primer, best eye primer ever. So I'm curious to see how far it can take me. So those are the like base steps. Oh, I forgot one because it got moved to a different drawer. I am moving on. I put the Too Faced Primed and Peachy back for a bit. I am moving on to the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer. I used this a little at the beginning of when I got it. I think that was pretty early 2018. And I actually I remember really liking it and haven't used it since. So I want to go into this one. I can see it's about there. I have a feeling a lot of it was air to begin with. Hopefully it hasn't gone bad, but I liked this, so I want to keep using this one. And we'll see if that stays in or if I rotate out. I'm not sure yet. And then powder. I want to finish the Tarte powder. This is called Smooth Operator. It is a finishing powder, but I am using it as just my setting powder as well. And then I'm trying to pan the Edit Unlocked, so just know that this is going to be in every month, but I also want to use my Butter Bronzer this month because I bought the Butter Bronzer Light Bronzer, and when I am tan in the summer, this doesn't work on me. So January and February are the months to use this. So this will be my main bronzer for these 2 months because I want to see how far this can take me. And if you've been watching for a long time, you will remember this one. I haven't used it in a billion years. This is the City Color Be Matte Bronzer. This came in one of my first Ipsies, and City Color, I think this costs like $1. I think sometimes you can find it at the dollar store. It is the softest. Some people might call them chalky. I don't even know if that shows up, but they are the softest, most beautiful blushes, and I think this one in particular is going to be really nice. I don't know why I have to be all the way over here. It's going to be really nice for these winter months, so I'm putting that back in the rotation. I realized I skipped right on over concealers and cream products, so those are the powders, concealers and creams. We are moving the Makeup Revolution back in. I've missed you. I do, however, want to finish up the It Bye Bye Concealer. I mean, it's flattened out, and I think there's just like a touch left, maybe a week's worth left. I've had it forever. The Tarte Energy cheek stain that goes to your skin tone and changes with your skin. If you watch the red lip video, it got a little crazy. I keep using, and I mean, I use this all summer and there's still that much left. So I want to use that these months because I think like that flush is really nice. And then because I said I'm panning it, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. I'm making sure I got the title right. Yeah, Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight in Champagne Pop. So I'm going to use this underneath before powder. Eyes this month might surprise you. I'm bringing back a high and a low end oldie but goodie. First is this Charlotte Tilbury palette that was limited edition from like 2 years ago, and it's beautiful, just natural colors that I think look really nice for this time of year. So I'm bringing this one back. And then, because I just love lavenders at this point, the Gigi Hadid Maybelline City Mini palette, I'm using that one again. It's a great palette. So I want to use those this month and see like, can I make some dents in them? I want to see what can happen. And then other eye products. Going to be using my IT Brow Power in the Universal Taupe color. Using my Lash Paradise base. Then and I don't know if it's going to go with this or not. If they'll go together, I will use them. If not, I am just going to continue on with my Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara, because this mascara is revolutionary. I didn't put in the favorites for certain reasons. I'm not going to get, you'll see soon. But I haven't even looked up how much this costs because I'm afraid it's $30 and I don't want to have to, I have a no mascara rule. No buy mascara until they're all gone, but I really might repurchase this after. This is just an amazing mascara. It came in that Space NK set that I bought at Nordstrom, and I'm in love, and it's open and it's full size, so we got to use it up. And then my NYX Proof It Waterproof Top Coat is staying in. Then, because I want to finish it off, the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. I've used this at least 1 month, if not 6 weeks at this point, if not 2 months. I've used this 1 month, if not 2 months already, and there's still plenty left because I was curious how long this will last. Anything that's in an aerosol spray, it's kind of like, I feel like they just run out quicker. So want to see how long this lasts. So this is staying in this month, and then we will rotate to some other things. And of course, lipstick is whatever I choose from the pile. I have the front one and the back one. The front jar that's smaller, and by smaller I mean it has like 15 in it, and then the giant jar in the back. But going with a lot of natural lip colors, you know, I bought an insane amount of lip kits, so we got to start working through those. Is it weird, like, that I refer as we, like we're in this together? It's me, right? It's me. So I have to work through those. I'm trying to apply lipstick all the time just to keep working through them. So that is January 2019's Shop My Stash Everyday Makeup Drawer. Let me know what is in your stash that you're shopping this month in the comments section below, and links to everything will be in the description box, so you can go straight to those products if you want something. And that is it for today. Right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like, so please keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!